Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Grüezi. My name is Rolf Bühler and it is my great pleasure to represent the drone ecosystem of the Greater Zurich Area in Switzerland. The Zurich region is home to many highly innovative and impactful technologies, and it is home to large-scale R&D operations of globally leading tech companies including Google, IBM, Facebook or Oracle. The field of robotics, and particularly drones, allows to merge technologies, bringing different ecosystems together and pushing the technological boundaries further and further. Today I am at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology at ETH Zurich. ETH Zurich is one of the leading engineering schools in the world and home to the Autonomous System Lab. In 2004, in this lab, modern-day drones learned how to fly. The OS-4 drone was the world's first freely flying quadrotor drone. This pioneering work by Professor Dr. Roland Siegwart and others triggered a lot of new research in the field and resulted in the current boom of the multicopters, with millions of systems sold over the last few years. What started in 2004 has reached now a new milestone in 2020. Drone systems that were tested in the Greater Zurich area successfully delivered crucial medical supplies to critical communities in the US by UPS and CVC Pharmacy. One of the most disruptive use cases has been developed by Voliro, an ETH Zurich startup. Voliro is developing advanced flying robots to perform inspection and maintenance tasks more safely, cost-effectively and faster than traditional methods. The list of new applications and new startups in the robotics and drone field of the Greater Zurich area is growing by the day. Many of those ideas are born here at ETH Zurich. We talked to one of the leading experts in the field, to Margarita Chry, assistant professor at ETH Zurich. She teaches drones and robots how to see. We asked her about the impact and the potential of her research.
So at the Vision for Robotics Lab we work with robotic perception, so trying to make robots see, if I put it simply. And we start working with drones. So we start by using a camera and trying to figure out what the drone is, that is what the drone is seeing, and then try to build on top of that different levels of intelligence such that the drones can do something useful for us. For example, inspect a structure. I think it's important to highlight that all of these applications that I mentioned are really aiding humans. So although drones have a bad connotation, they still have a lot to offer. So ETH Zurich is a top university attracting some of the best minds to work on robotics here, and I think that Zurich has developed this great ecosystem around ETH Zurich. So we have a good, healthy density of professors that work on robotics research and on drone research, and a fantastic density of brilliant minds that we can work with them.
Thank you, Margarita. We are excited to see the flying robots ecosystem growing. We believe that the mix of leading universities, a large and active community of developers, numerous robots and component manufacturers, as well as innovation-friendly authorities, make the Zurich drone ecosystem one of the most impactful tech ecosystems in the world.